Sikubingelele mbukeli isiphinde imhlathi eyazanayo kuqhelika nje ihlathi kimi futhi ngiyathobeka kakhulu ukuphinde futhi ngibuye kulesi sigqeki ngizokwethulela izindaba ngolwimi lukaMthaniya. Cha mbukeli ungawaxiki iqamehla akho ubona mina impela unoxolo kwakwamwali uMamtshali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qwa njengenjwayelo ke mbukela ke sibheke ihamba phambili kusihlwa nje.
This is pleasing because it will elevate our mutual beneficial political and economic ties for the benefit of both our countries and our peoples.
Namhlanje iNingizimu Afrika icikice ivumelwano nelase-China ezovumela izinkampani zakuleli kuba ithumela impahla ethe xaxa kuleli yazwe. Lokhu ke kwenzeke emhlanganweni oqinisa ukuhwebelana obubanjelwe eBeijing.
We've been in contact with the relevant families, provincial, national and local government authorities at the same time. We are planning the best possible way of comforting all families of the departed souls.
Owengamele ezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uSiboniso Duma uthi umnyango wakhe uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukusiza imindeni yabantu abangamashumi nomuvo abaphangalale ezingozini zomgwaqo kulesi yasifundazwe ngempela sonto. iNingizimu Afrika kanye nezwe lase-China sebesayinde isivumelwano esisha eBeijing esizovumela ke ukuthi inkampani eziningi zakuleli zikwazi ukuthumela imikhiqizo yaso kwelase-China. Kwenziwe nesivumelwano sokuthi izwe lase-China lizokwelekelela iNingizimu Afrika ukuxazulula isimo senkinga yogesi.
China likleliswe labangela lesibili ngokwamazwe anomnotho osimeme emhlabeni jikelele. iNingizimu Afrika ilonazwe eliphambili uhlelweni lokubambisana neChina ngokwezivumelwano zokuhwebelana. Umhlangano wanamhlanje phakathi komengameli bamazwe uCyril Ramaphosa kanye noXi Jinping uhlelo lokuqiniswa kobudlelwano bokubambisana balamazwe amabili.
South Africa is pleased as you have proposed to upgrade our comprehensive strategic partnership to an all-round strategic cooperative partnership in the new era. This for us is most pleasing. This is pleasing because it will elevate our mutual beneficial political and economic ties for the benefit of both our countries and our peoples.
Odabeni lohulumeni omusha wobumbano lwamaqembu ahlukene, umengameli Ramaphosa utshela iGNU akukho lapho ezoxekisa khona ngokwemigomo yezwe ethinta ezamazwe omhlaba. Wengeze ngelokuthi uhulumeni uzibophezele emigomeni yezivumelwano nezwe la.
South Africa has entered a new period in our democracy. The newly formed Government of National Unity continues to place the achievement of the African Union's Agenda 2063 and the pursuit of a better world at the center of our foreign policy.
Umengameli Ramaphosa nethimba lakhe likahulumeni sebezobhekana nengqungquthela yokubambisana kweChina namazwe ase-Afrika onke anobudlelwane naleli yazwe.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile embalula uthi phansi amaphaphu ngemva kokuthi unobhala jikelele we-SACP uSoli Mapayela ekhwele wadilika egxeka i-ANC ngokubandakanya iqembu iDemocratic Alliance kuhulumeni wobumbano. UMapayela uphinde wasola i-ANC ngokudayisa inkululeko yabantu abansundu ngokusebenzisana ne-DA.
It's furious, it's angry. The ANC is sold out. Naked. People the truth.
Iqembu lamakomanisi seliphumele obala ngokungenami kwalo mayelana ngezinye zezinqumo ze-ANC. Lokhu kuhlaluke ngemva kokuba unobhala jikelele we-SACP uSoli Mapayela egxeke i-ANC ngokusebenzisana neqembu le-DA ngaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano.
It's not permanent. It can change at some point and become something else. But at the end of the day, we're not locking ourselves into a GNU permanently. That GNU will change over time. And that's what the ANC will be working on.
Engxoxweni yakhe ku-podcast kaDokotela uSizwe Mpofu Welsh, uMapayela ugxeke i-ANC ngokusebenzisana ne-DA kanye naloku akubiza ngokudayisa abantu abampisholo. uMapayila uphinde wachaza umongameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa njengomholi oweseka onxiwankulu.
I think they'll be judged harshly by history, and I call on history to judge them badly for the betrayal of our people. This is a betrayal, Sizwe. It cannot be entertained in any political decorations. It cannot be laced in any other form. It's a sellout of the people's aspiration.
Unobhala jikelele weANC ufikile Mbalula uchithile ukuphawula kukaMapayila ngumongameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa. Ngingusamkele Maseko ngibikele izindaba zeSABC eGoli.
Abafundi ababili besikole kwathi abane balimala kanzima engozini yebhasi eyenzeke emgwaqeni uR618 phakathi kwaseFilidi nakwaNongoma enyakatho yaKwaZulu-Natal. Iziphathimandla zomgwaqo zithi abanye abafundi abangama-48 bathole imhuzukwana ngesikhathi umshayeli ehluleka ukulawula ibhasi labeke seliginqika. Kubikwa ukuthi leli bhasi belithola abafundi besikole samabanga aphakeme igelekedle ngasehlobane. Emfaneni ekusweni ke yevideo ehlinzekwe indaba zeSABC, izingane zesikole zizakala zikhala ngokushaqeka ngaphandle kwebhasi. Umshayeli ke ube esedla phansi endaweni yesigameko. Sisekuzo-ke 18 ingozi sekuvele ukuthi badabuka eLesotho abantu abane kwaba12 abashona engozini yenzeke phakathi kweGreytown neMooi River Toll Plaza esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ngempelasonto. Umnyango wezokuthutha nokuhlaliswa kwabantu esifundazweni uthi uzokhuluma nekhomishana yaseLesotho esePitoli mayelana ke nokubuyiselwa kwezidumbu zabo.
Esisuka kuyo ibinge enyantisi igazi emgwaqeni esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal njengoba nje bengama-20 nomuva abantu abadlule emhlabeni ezingozini ezehlukene. Ingozini eyenzeke phakathi kweMooi River Toll Plaza kushone abayi12 kwathi ababili balimala. Kwenye ingozi yetekisi eyenzeke emgwaqeni uR74 Kranskop kushona amalunga ayisithupha eqembu umkhonto wesizwe. Leli tekisi belibhekisa amabombe enkandla lisuka eMtshezi ngenkathi umshayeli walo ehluleka ukulawula. Ngozini esithathe beku R74 ngakwaDukuza kushona abantu abathathu kuyo kwathi abathathu balimala. Uhulumeni esifundazweni uthi izokwelekelelwa imindeni elahlekelwe.
With the relevant families, provincial, national and local government authorities at the same time. We are planning the best possible way of comforting all families of the departed souls. The trauma that families are experiencing will take many years to heal, but we are hopeful that the support to be offered by the government and the people of KwaZulu-Natal.
Uduma uthi kuzokwengezwe ezinye izisebenzi ezizoqinisekisa ukuba ziyalandelwa impawu zomgwaqo esifundazweni.
Our traffic officers will have no mercy to errant motorists and people who are violating the laws. We'll do overnight operations and deployment of more personnel to ensure visibility. At some stages in this province, it was known that alufakwa in KwaZulu-Natal libuya nesiphula mthetho.
Isifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ulindeleke ukuba ahambele imndeni eshonelwe.
Ungqongqoshe wezemsebenzi kahulumeni inkosi uMzamo Buthelezi uthi phakathi kokunye abazokubeka eqhulwini njengoba kuqala inyanga yokubungaza izisebenzi zikahulumeni ezisebenzela umphakathi ngokuyimisela ukuthi baqhuquzele zonke izisebenzi ukuba ziwuthathele phezulu umsebenzi wazo.
You serves all South Africans, and we are partnering with the many voices who all want what is in the best interest of our country. Ultimately, we are one people, one government, and we are stronger when we work together. Our theme further reflects government's third key priority as outlined by President Cyril Ramaphosa in his opening of Parliament address, building a capable, ethical, and developmental state while focusing on greater professionalization of the public service. When we say we are a government that works for you, we mean that we'll actively demonstrate how government is identifying our shortcomings and implementing effective solutions to the challenges faced in the public service. We are committed to showing South Africans that the government is fully dedicated to delivering services with excellence.
Mbukeli ke sithatha iqhu ezitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
The reason for these decreases are the lower oil prices and stronger rand against the US dollar during the period under review.
Umnyango wezamagugu ambiwayo usumemezele ukuthi intengo yopetrol izokwehla ngolesithathu waleli sonto. Lena ke umbukeli kuzoba inyanga yesine kulandelana lapho kwehla khona intengo yopetrol. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli uma ngabe usanda kungena asikubingelele odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi namhlanje iNingizimu Afrika icikice ivumelwano nelaseChina ezovumela izinkampani zakuleli kuba zithumela impahla ethe xaxa kuleli yazwe. Lokhu ke kwenzeke emhlanganweni oqinisa ukuhwebelana obubanjelwe eBeijing. Mbukeli ke asiphinde futhi sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba zikhona phela na ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo nje ke uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube usezwakalise ukukhathazeka ngesibalo esiphezulu sezigameko zokuqolwa kwezikole eEastern Cape. uGwarube usemkhankasweni ke kwazolonke wokucwaninga izinga lezigameko lezi ezikhungethe izikole.
Lempuma Koloni lezikolo ezingaphaya kwamawaka amahlanu. Olutyelelo lukamphathiswa uSiviwe Gwarube luza kunabela nakwamanye amaphondo ngenjongo zokunyusa izinga lezimfundo kwelelizwe. Lengingqo yaseNelson Mandela Bay isajamela nezinga eliphezulu lwaphulomthetho kunye nokunyanzelisa inhlawulo ngamaqela onqevu. Lentsinda abadala ichaphazela nezikolo kuquka nosomashishini ingakumbi kwingingqi yase-OR Tambo. Gwarube ubongoze amagosa aphezulu wesebe lezimfundo kweliphondo ukuba asebenzise ngendlela uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali abalunikwayo. Kungabikho mali ibuyela kwiofisi kanondyebo.
Sithi kwi-criminal justice cluster into yoba mabasincedise because kaloku owethu umsebenzi silisebe kuqinisekisa into yobana sihoya ukufundiswa nokufundisa kwabantwana ezikolweni. It cannot be into yobana ootishara nabantwana bangamaxhoba e-crime kwezi areas apho bangakwazi nokufunda khona.
Umphathisa wesebe lezemfundo kweliphondo uyavuma ukuba isebe lakhe lisajamele nokushokoxeka kwezebali. Londo idala eminye yemingeni ukukhawulelana nengxaki kwizithuthi zabafundi kweliphondo.
Umphathiswa ulapha umphathiswa uGwarube uzosincedisa siliphondo ukwakha iziseko ngendlela efanelekileyo siliphondo. Kwaye okwesibini ukwalapha ukujonga into yokuba zeziphi izinto urhulumente in general efuneka ezilungisile.
Utyelelo lukamphathiswa ololandelayo luza kuba seMpumalanga kwakule nyanga. Ndinguzolani Moya weendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha.
Umnyango wezemfundo eWestern Cape uthi wazise izikole ngesibalo sothisha esikoleni sabo abazothinteka ngesinqumo sokunciphisa izikhala ngonyaka ozayo. Ngesonto eledlule umnyango uthe kuzonqanyulwa izikhala ezi-2,407.
Umnyango wezemfundo Western Cape uthi ukuncishiswa kwesibalo sothisha akufani nokubadiliza. Ithi lokhu kuchaza ukuthi angeke kuvuselelwe izinkontileka zabanye othisha abangaqashiwe ngokugcwele kanti abanye othisha abaqashwe ngokugcwele bazosiwa kwezinye izikolo. Umnyango uthi bekunzima ukuthatha lesinqumo.
We're in this position for one reason and one reason only, and that is that national government did not fully fund the nationally negotiated wage agreement in 2023. And so despite implementing drastic budget cuts in the amount of about 2.5 billion rand, we still have a 3.8 billion over the next 3 years.
Umnyango wezemfundo isisekelo kuzolonke usuphendulile.
While the Western Cape has rung the alarm about the crisis that they are facing, I do believe that it's not a Western Cape problem, but it's one that is across the country. So what I have done is I have requested the DG to immediately put together a team of all the HODs in the provinces so they can do an analysis of where are their problems, where are their shortcomings, where are their shortfalls.
Inyunyana izisebenzi sathi isigxekile isinqumo somnyango sokunciphisa izikhundla.
People who will be impacted by this are your recently qualified teachers. Most of them who qualified in the past 3 years. And we know that in South Africa we had a challenge with youth unemployment.
Lokwehlisa kwesibalo sothisha kuzoholela ekutheni kube nencindezi emagumbini okufundela Western Cape ikakhulukazi esikolweni ezigcwele ngokweqile ezindaweni ezintulayo.
Inkampani yezokuthutha eyibhizinisi likahulumeni ekhungethwe zinkinga iTransnet isidalule ukuthi 3 billion amarandi onyakeni wemali ophele ngoNdasa walonyaka. Lesi samba ke sisuka ku5 billion amarandi onyakeni wemali owedlule.
iTransnet ithilithela izithelo uhlelo lwayo lokubuyisa uzinzo lwezemali. Kepha ithi sabhekene nezingqinamba ezimbalwa eziholele ekutheni kuphazamiseke ukuhamba kwezitimela. Kuzo kubalwa impikisho yomphakathi kanye nohlelo lwe-Eskom lokucisha ugesi. Le nkampani ithi phinde yachitha isamba semali ecaleni elibandakanya iSesol neTotal.
We've seen over an 11% increase in revenue compared to prior year. I think had it not been for these provisions that you're talking about now, because of some litigious matters that we have, this business, as we forecasted at the end of March, would probably have ended up with a loss of under 2 billion. Unfortunately, in June, we had the judgment by the court against us in relation to the NATREF matter. We've had to make provision for that on our income statement in this year.
iTransnet ithi yaqhubeka nohlelo lwayo lokuthuthukisa ingqalasizinda.
It's critical to notice 83% of our capex investment goes into replacement of infrastructure, either through wear and tear, damage, vandalism, security challenges, etc.
Le nkampani eyisikhondla kwezokuthutha ithi ukuqoka kwezikhulu ezimbalwa kuyo nakho sekuyilethele uzinzo.
Izophinda yehle intengo yopetroli nodizili kanye noparafini ngolwesithathu nosekuyinyanga yesineke kulandelana kuxegiswa lentengo. Umnyango wezamagugu ambiwayo umemezele ukuthi intengo yopetrol izokwehla ngo92 cents ilitha, udizili wehle ngo79 cents ilitha, bese kuthi ke intengo yoparafini yona yehle nge10.
Ngokwestatement eshicilelwe umnyango ngokwehla kwentengo kawoyela, phakathi kokunye okuwumthelela walokhu ukudlondlobala kwamandla erandi ezimakethe zomhlaba uma liqhathaniswa nedola laseMelika.
The reason for these decreases are the lower oil prices and stronger rand against the US dollar during the period under review. The slate levy remains unchanged at 0 cents per litre on both petrol and diesel. This is the 4th month in succession that the fuel prices have dropped.
No chobaqaqula nokuthi lezi indaba ngenzeka zibe nomthelelo ukuthi nebhange lombuso lixegise kancane nenzalo yemali kusimemezelo salo makhathaleni nenyanga.
If the rand stays at current levels, this lower fuel price might also be sustainable. However, this positive development can only continue if we do not see a sharp decline in the exchange rate of the rand in coming months.
Abesikhungo iAutomobile Association bathi kusekuningi okufanele kwenziwe ukwehlisa umthwalo obhekene nabathengi.
The negative impact of the last 4 decreases is substantial. Considering, for instance, unleaded 93 inland, the decreases amount to around 2.44 cents per litre, which in total will bring around a saving of around 122 rand on a 50-litre petrol tank.
Abe AA benze nesincomo sokuthi ungqongqoshe womnyango wezemali uInok Godongwana udingeka aqhamuke nohlelo licacile ngokulawulwa kwentengo kawoyela oluzoba isisombululo kubathenga abadonsa kanzima.
Ake mbukeli sibeka lapha ezakusihlwa ngehora lesikhombisa kodwa ke mbukela nkushiyi wedwa phela kusasa bakhonoza kwethu ngolimi lwesiXhosa nibe nje nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.